How would you feel if I sent these plates and wraps of goodness to you? You'll give me a big hug, right? This is one Nigerian food combo you must try at least once in your lifetime. Stay with me because in this video, I'll show you how to make this agidi from scratch so you can enjoy it with piping hot Nigerian pepper soup. For ingredients, you will only need dry white corn. It must be dry. You also need leaves for wrapping them. These are oma leaves. You can also use banana leaves. I have a video of how to prep banana leaves before you can use them. Even those ones you buy from the shops in the US, you must prep them in a special way before using them, else wahala go dey. Make sure you check out that video, the link should pop up on the screen right now. If you don't have banana leaves either, don't worry, you don't trust me again? I have other things you can use, just keep watching. Rinse the corn very well. Put it in a pot and pour water to cover it. Then put on the stove and start cooking on medium heat. Once it boils like this, you can call it a rolling boil. Take it off the stove. Then blend till smooth. I sieve it with this chiffon cloth. This is like a cheesecloth. When done, cover and leave it alone to settle. You can use this chaff to make corn fufu. I have a video for that. Link should pop up on the screen right now. After a few hours, slowly decant the water and you are left with the perfect cornstarch for agidi. Before the next step, boil some water and set that aside. Put the quantity of cornstarch you need in a pot. Add some cool water. It's difficult to give you exact measurements for the water. Just pay attention to the consistencies at different stages, okay? It is easier to master this that way. As always, if you have any questions at any time while watching this video, feel free to ask me in the comments below. Don't be shy. I answer all questions that I've not already answered in the video. Enough water to bring it to this consistency. Please note that I have not yet turned on the stove at this time. Now that you've finished mixing, turn on the stove to medium heat and keep stirring the mix non-stop. Don't say I didn't warn you. Stir, stir, stir till it becomes thick like this. If you stirred it continuously, there will be no lumps. Start adding the hot water to bring it to a softer consistency. This is the consistency you need. Now let's test if it's ready. Get a bowl of cold water. Cold water from the tap or from the fridge is good. Scoop some of the agidi into the water. After some time, the agidi should set like this. That's proof that it's done. Then start wrapping. Make a cone with the leaves like this. Scoop some agidi in there. And close. If you're still here, now is the perfect time to give me that hug. Have you liked this video yet? Have you? Have you? What are you waiting for? Another wrapping for those at the back. Wrap the rest the same way. You can also make cute ones using silicone ice cube trays. It has to be silicone, so it will be easy for you to bring them out later. You can make it with different shapes. You can use glass bowls, whichever container you are using. It is important that you cover with something when done so the exposed parts do not dry out. Spread the wrapped agidi out like this and leave it to cool down completely. It should be served cool, not warm. After a few hours, it should have cooled down completely. Let's check it out. Usually, you should make the agidi in good time to give it time to cool down completely before serving with the pepper soup. You can make the agidi say in the morning if you want to have this combo for evening snack or for dinner. Look at that! You see how it has beautifully caked? Yes! It should be bowing and trembling like this when you cut some. Chayo! Food day for Naija. Prepare your pepper soup. Throw the agidi into a bowl of piping hot pepper soup. If you want to see the recipe for this pepper soup, let me know in the comments. Hubby, my food taster, is on standby to show you how to eat it. Yum, yum, yum!